Yeah.
Show him what the name of the kid is.
What?
Show him what the name of the kid is.
I'm too busy making a video. Hi, Dan.
Hey,
Don't. I hate
show him what the name of the kid is.
you.
Hey, Bam Bam, where you going?
Little Miss Princess Peanut Butter Cup Pumpkin Face.
Where's the kitten? Milky. Oh, there's Milky. There must be the kitten around here somewhere. There's the kitten. Say hi. Hi.
You're all alone, Dad. You're in the middle of the floor. Roxy just
Say, Daddy, clean up the
Roxy
mess.
stepped on you.
There's a mess over here, Daddy. Clean it up. I can't pick it up. What are you playing?
What's the cat's name, Dad?
Sean,
What?
I was in the Tampa airport. I went to the bathroom, and somebody dropped a dookie on the floor.
Ew! Dude, that's disgusting. Are you serious?
It was funny.
Are you serious?
I didn't see the person do it, but I saw the dookie on the floor next to the
Is
toilet.
that your baby?
Oh, man. That sounds
Roxy?
like something that would
Your
happen
baby?
in Newark and not Tampa.
I think they got off in like a piece of duty.
Is that your baby?
Oh, that's done.
Did you hear that, Jess?
Yes, he already told me. I already had the pleasure.
It's like a lot.